Any time today, Chris.
Come in. You go whinging. What's this? I thought we were doing a £100 PC.
Yeah, we can get back to your testing in a minute. I've got a case for you to review.
Alright. Well, I've got a microphone on first.
That would help.
No, I turned it off.
You didn't.
I need a student.
What do you mean you need a student?
I need a teacher.
You need a lot of things, but let's not go there.
Alright, there we go.
Anyway, welcome back to Dumb Down Tech.
Yes, welcome to Dumb Down Tech.
And today on
How to get dressed.
Alan stitches Chris up.
Right, so you've got a PC case.
Yes.
What's this for?
See if you can figure it out. But yeah, I want you to review it.
Jonsbo, okay. Not done one of them yet.
It's the Jonsbo N5.
Alright, let me move this. Tell me when I can stop with the camera.
No, you're good.
I'm good?
You're
cool.
good. Do what you need to do, because any bits I need to put up, I'll take from the manufacturer's website and put up as an image. So just crack on.
Well, you might as well turn the camera off then.
No, you're not getting it out of this that way.
Plastic?
Wood.
Wood?
8mm solid North American black walnut.
I think I've seen one of these cases online, but I've not seen it. Yes.
You broke it.
Upgrading server, are we?
Yes.
Right.
Yes, it's that time. I've been putting it off long enough.
1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so you can have 12 3.5 hard drives, yeah?
12 3.5s and up to 4 2.5s.
And 4 2.5s?
Yes.
Where?
Not in the bottom. So that bottom section is all server grade hot swap, because you'll see at the back, again, I'll put an image of the control boards that are at the back, because they're all hot swappable base.
Oh. I need to get in there. Right, how do we open this?
There's 6 screws on that top. Hang on. Hang on, look, I'm all prepared.
Oh, all right. Thank you very much.
So, yeah, there's 3. I've even put the right bit on the screwdriver for you.
That's prepared.
Yes.
All right. I don't like the screws from the off.
Yeah, I know.
Why are they not like a standard screw? Why is it the hex ones?
Well, we know Jonsbo do their things differently.
Just differently, and then there's difficulty.
Yeah,
that's not even a word. I know it's not, but
it depends. If I hide this case, I might replace them with thumb screws, so then I can like a bit easier access.
Bit ugly though, poking out the sides, having these little thumb screws. But like you say, if you're hiding it, yeah.
Exactly. So while you do that, I'll go over some of the specs. So the dimensions for this case is 355mm wide, 403mm deep, and 350mm high. So it's not the smallest.
No, but it'll fit in a media unit, or a bit too big.
I'm going to try.
It looked nice next to a TV or under a TV or something.
What with the wood and that, yeah. I've kind of given myself options there. So as I said, it does take 12 3.5-inch drives and an additional 4 2.5s depending.
I should just
there you go. And the case material is aluminium, not steel.
Nice and light, actually.
Again, it's not the best mechanism, is it?
No, that's really not.
Yeah, it is a bit faffy.
I'm sorry for scratching your nice new case up if I have.
No, you're doing it deliberately now. There you go.
It's not too bad. How much does it weigh?
Up to 7.5 kilos, I believe. I think that's a misprint.
That's going to be full, isn't it, with the hard drives and stuff?
I think so.
Good perforation. Good for ventilation, I will say that.
Yeah, so you've got the side vents, because you see those side rails.
Yeah, you can mount some fans by the looks of it.
Or the 2.5 drives. Or a combination of the two. Also, if you look at the front, you'll notice there's a dust filter in there.
Yes, so more fans.
Or a 240 or 280 AIO in the front.
Why would you want to put an AIO in a media server though?
I mean, it will also take air coolers up to 160mm in height, but this is also going to be a edit rig.
Oh, you're doing what I've done and changing it so it's multi-use.
What did I just bring in for testing?
The Arc. Arc.
Yes, so I was a bit jealous that Chris has got a nice B580, and that gave me an idea. So I've ended up buying an Arc A750. There'll be a future video for that, so we won't go into that too much. But you see where I'm going with this. So this is going to be a media server, editor.
That's probably a good idea.
Yes.
Right, what we got? We've got HD audio standard. Oh, you're in for a treat. You got your front panel connector all in one.
I did look for that. I did look for that.
USB 3 and USB-C.
Yes, so on the front I/O, you've got obviously your power button, a USB 3.0 A port,
Yep.
a USB 3.2 C port,
Yep.
and then a 3.5mm combo jack.
And combo, you're right.
And then one of the weird bits I found, can you see there's drive LEDs at the front as well?
Oh, yeah.
How many of them?
8.
Yes, how many drives?
12. So is this the hot swap one and this maybe not a hot swap?
They're both hot swaps, so I'm a little bit bemused why they've only done the 8, but there we
Maybe
go.
they're expecting you to do 2 different RAID sets, like one RAID and a separate RAID.
If you do me a favour, just for the camera, can you tilt it on its side so that we can get an inside look of the case?
To be on its front.
No, side. Yeah, like that. That'll do. It's just so we can see what's going on inside.
No, I can't see.
Well, that's your tough.
All right, so 3 fans built in. 3 pins, so they're just going to go full whack all the time.
Yes, so the actual fan configurations, you can have 2 120 or 140s in the front, 3 120s either side,
Okay.
1 120 at the back, and then there's 2 120s in the bottom.
Yeah, I just saw them, yeah. That'll keep the drives cool.
Yeah, power supply, that can take an ATX power supply up to 170mm in length. If you go any longer, that 4 bed of drives has to come out.
Can I have a screwdriver, please?
What, proper one?
Yes.
You've got the toolbox behind you. Oh, hang on. No, I've got one up here.
I'll say there's always one out.
There we go.
Thank you.
Yeah, we normally have one out so we can try and stab each other with it.
I'm interested. I see this has got a tab to it. Why has it got a tab? A pulley tab.
To pull it out. Yeah, if you take the back panel off, I think the fans come out with it as well.
Right.
Right, so yeah, if you turn that round so I can show on the camera. So you'll see there... Now, in this instance, I understand Molex for the power.
No.
So on the 4 drive bay and the 12, you'll have Molex power. So this is going to be powering all the SATA drives, because then on the inside of that, literally you just slot the drives in, they slot in and powered. So I do see the point of that, but apparently they're gold server grade boards, according to Jonsbo.
Okay. Well, this is good quality materials,
Yes.
but straight away, even because it's using SATA and not using 6-pin, my valuation of this has probably gone down a fair bit.
I haven't even told you how much it costs yet.
Yeah, but 50 quid.
A little bit more than that.
How much more than that?
Well, we'll finish with you. We'll finish with that. And yeah, we'll finish with that.
So that's back together. So what motherboard size can you take?
What do you think it can take?
Why does it look like it can do an e-atx?
Because it can. ITX up to e-atx. This has actually been designed. I've seen a picture of somebody that's done this.
It doesn't say...
You know the twin Xeon? I've seen that in here with 4 GPUs.
That sounds toasty.
Speaking of GPUs, it can take a max length of 350mm, but that depends on the cooling you put at the front.
I was going to say, because I'm trying to get the camera, e-atx board would come to here.
Yes.
And a standard ATX board, so that's also going to reduce your potential for an AIO or anything like that as well.
Yeah, so thankfully the board I'm putting in is my ATX one.
Oh, just standard ATX you're going for?
Yes, out of my current gaming rig. Because, as you know, I'm in the process of doing all of that, so I'm going to put that in there.
So then, you're only going to come up to here.
Yes.
So you're going to have all of that space for So yeah, fuel. You've got push pull.
Quite
You do an
possibly.
AIO?
Well, in one of our cases, I've just actually got two 140 fans I'm not going to use, so I'm thinking of a 280 rad in there, so I might try push pull, see how it fits.
What I'd try first, if I was you, is having a cross flow for airflow, because that's going to keep your VRMs cool, your RAM cooler, because obviously the editing does push the heating.
Well, I've got a couple of 2.5s. I've got two 1 terabyte 2.5s SSDs that I might as well just use as well.
Well, yeah.
And if I do go for the 280 AIO, I was looking at the Antec.
Freezer free.
Yes.
Yeah, all right, why not? That's just an instant win, isn't it?
Exactly. I mean, we haven't tested that one yet, but so that's another
Yeah.
reason I'd like to get one, as everybody rates it so highly.
I want to get one as well for when I move my server into pool.
Okay. Yes, again, future video.
Future video, yeah.
That's been in the making for a long time.
That's been in the making for about a year, unfortunately, but it's just finding the time. I'd change your fans at the bottom. I'd have them pulling in from the back to try and cool, rather than taking the heat away from the hard drives to actively cool them. I'm
going to try a few different configurations. I might replace those 3 fans as well, because they're all 3-pin rather than PWM.
Yeah, because when you're not doing anything, your hard drives aren't going to be that hot at all, are they? So what's the point in having them running full speed?
I think cable management's going to be interesting in this.
Does the bottom come off as well?
No, only from the back.
Are you sure? Because what are these screws for?
Oh, I don't know. But then you've got feet screwed into the bottom and everything. I haven't seen anything where that comes off. When I've seen people build, they just take the back panel off and that top panel off and go from there.
I mean, you wouldn't need to do any more than that, but maybe I won't do it today, because this is your baby now. I won't destroy it for you, because I know what I'm like.
No, leave that to me.
Yes. When you're building it, are you going to film it?
Yes.
You are going to film it?
Yes.
So maybe you can have a...
Yeah, it's going to be a quick, update. How was it to build in? But also, I'm going to be doing my RAID setup very differently, because I'm actually going to build redundancy into this RAID.
We've got a front and a back. Oh.
Yeah, you see the two little knot? There you go.
So, coming in.
Realistically, you've seen the features. e-atx support, massive GPU support, massive hard drive support. How much do you think I paid?
I would say probably about 100, 120.
A bit more than that.
Are we including shipping and stuff, or are we not including shipping?
It was free shipping.
Oh. 150, 60?
More. I'll tell you, it was £210.
Sorry?
It's 210. Look, that was from a UK seller, UK company.
Right.
On Amazon, this is £300.
Sorry?
Even from AliExpress, it's over £200 delivered to the UK. It's got real wood in it.
Yeah, but so is my Antec C8, I think. I don't actually know. It felt a bit plastic, but...
You tell me another case that can take an ATX motherboard with this kind of NAS support. Because if you have found one and haven't told me, I will punch you on camera.
No, that's why I'm changing my case into Paul. Paul is an Alienware PC, Alien Paul. We'll get to that at some point.
Eventually.
Look, I get it. To try and find a case nowadays is impossible for hard drives.
Yes.
It's impossible.
Yes.
I get it why everyone wants the nice, pretty cases, but sometimes these are needed.
Yeah.
I can see your justification for buying it. It does look nice.
Because I wanted a pool initially, but where I've got space for it, because it's going to be in the living room, I couldn't fit a pool in there.
No, they're huge.
So
also, with your back, would you be able to handle the weight of it?
That's why I never lift Paul. I just kick him around. You think I'm joking? You should see what I do to him when you're not here.
That's a different sort of channel, mate. So, right, I can see justification for buying it. I think you've overspent a little bit, but at the same time, I think you probably had no choice but to overspend because of the lack of options that are out there in the world. Unless you wanted to go for a used case, but your current one was a used case, wasn't it? And you said it was battered.
Yeah, it turned up battered. Very bad.
And then you were risking that and all
I
that.
won't lie, I do think it's too pricey for what it is. There are bits I don't like. The free fans, again, not PWM.
It's nice to have included fans, but if you're going to spend that much money, you want something a bit better specification than that.
Exactly. I feel the cable management is going to be tight, depending on the way you configure it. I know doing everything in the bottom, people have complained it's difficult.
You might be worth looking into seeing if you can... Are you tempted by SAS? See if you can do SAS cables.
Too late now.
Oh, you've already ordered it all?
Yes.
Fair enough.
Yes. I've got 4 3 terabyte drives already at home from the original server, with one 4 terabyte from the original, and I've ordered another 7 4 terabyte hard drives.
Got a decent mesh at the front here as well.
But anyway, I had to buy it because what's it got on there?
Wood.
No. My other favourite thing in the world.
Oh, magnet.
Yes,
Magnets, yeah, of course.
But no, I do think it's too pricey for what it is, but it's the only one I could find out there that takes an ATX motherboard.
I get it. Well, on that note, I'd say good value for you. Up for you lot now to decide if you think it's going to be a good value for yourselves, or if you're even interested in something like this. Do they do smaller versions of this?
Yes.
Right, so they do smaller versions as well, what you'd assume would be cheaper. It's worth looking into. Jonsbo, I've never done a case review on a Jonsbo yet. I've never even seen one in the wild. So it'd be nice to have a little look at it, I can't lie, but not for me. It's a bit artistic for me.
I do understand that. It's very niche.
Yes.
Does it suit your purpose, yes or no?
Yeah, it suits your purpose.
If it does suit your purpose, they've got you cornered.
Yeah. Yeah. So basically on that bombshell, there's not really much else to say about it, is there?
No, apart from,
Until wait for your video next.
Yeah, we'll see how the build goes.
Yeah.
Right.
Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you for the next video.